recognize the next speaker, Muhammad Harith. Please come on the podium and deliver a speech on the topic of daily routine.
Wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Honorable guests, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. I am going to speak about my daily routine. First of all, I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Dear audience, my name is Muhammad. I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I go to Fajr. Then I recite the Holy Quran. After that, I go for a walk. There, I take exercise. After returning from the walk, I take my breakfast and go to madrasa at 8 o'clock. There I learn my lesson till 12 o'clock. After that, I go for a walk. I take my lunch and rest for a while. Then I go to coaching center. My coaching center's name is معروفی Educational Foundation. My teacher's name is Mr. Muhammad. He is a best teacher. He teaches us English book and grammar. In the evening, I play football. Then I return home. I complete my homework and read books. After that, I take my dinner and go to sleep at about 10 o'clock. That's all.